How to make a cup of tea. The things we need: a tea pan or a teapot, water, milk, a gas stove, dried tea leaves, sugar and a spoon. Take a tea pan, add half a cup of water to it, light the gas stove, put the pan on the stove, turn the flame on high, let the water to boil, add the dried tea leaves to the boiling water, reduce the flame. Wait until the hot water brews the tea properly. Brewing makes the tea coloured and pleasant. Add half a cup of milk. Add a spoonful of sugar. Keep heating for a little longer. A perfect cup of tea is ready. Now turn the heat off. Pour the tea into the cup and enjoy this perfect cup of tea.